Information, may mga documents na rin po that have been read into the record. Yung pong mga kontrata ng St. Timothy ng Wawa Builders ay nailatag na rin po sa araw po na ito. No? So may confirmation na rin po si Engineer Alcantara dito po sa bagay na ito. Hopefully, pagka nag-issue na po ng subpoena, mapapakita na rin po yung Wawa Builders at saka St. Timothy.
Sir, bakit subpoena agad sa halip na show cause order?
I think pwede man hong gawin ng Congress yung within the rules yung po pagkakaroon ng subpoena itself. So I think it's something that we can do whether it's a subpoena or a show cause order.
Sir, what's next? Kailan yung next kailan?
Well, we have to talk among the chairs when the next hearing will be. But very important nga ho na mapasipot po muna natin yung pong Sims Construction, Wawa Builders, and St. Timothy kasi sila po talaga yung pinakasangkot dito po sa substandard projects and particularly in ghost projects.
Sir, isang malaking tanong, nasa daw po si Kong Zaldico? Biglang bawi si Kong Erice kanina doon sa kanyang motion na imbitahan ni Zaldico and Grace po. Ano po nangyari doon, sir?
I don't know. You have to ask Congressman Erice that why he withdrew the motion. So, when he withdrew the motion and we proceeded.
Sir, but will the committee invite him for the future hearings?
I think if there is a showing that there is an anomalous transaction, anomalous contract, anomalous project, substandard, or ghost project to a company that is linked to it, then of course we will be compelled to invite him.
But the Sunwest Corporation is part of the contractors po na nilabas.
Yeah, that's what I said. It is linked to him, correct?
Yes.
So if there is a showing that there are anomalous contracts, anomalous projects, substandard or ghost that are linked to Sunwest, then we might be compelled to invite him.
Sir, but right now, do you think there is a need to invite him given na ibang mga kongresista sinasabi nila na may mga questions sa BICAM, sa budget, sa mga nangyaring changes in at the BICAM level?
I think you have to ask Congressman Chapo that. Kasi it is him that has been hounding Congressman Zaldico. It is just him, no one else, actually. Among the people in Congress today, I think it is him that has been asking these questions. Again, these are legitimate questions, but I'm not quite certain how actually and specifically relevant it is to the flood control hearings.
Actually, kanina, sir, si Congressman Erice at Congresswoman Laila De Lima also raised the topic, even siguro kahit in passing.
I think they mentioned it, no? Pero I think it was not to the point that it almost disrupted the proceedings. I think in due time, not in the next hearing. But I think